So redecorating a room or a house for sale is basically what home staging is all about. So a home staging professional would work to enhance the property's best features to achieve a quicker and a more profitable sale. So it all starts at decluttering and depersonalizing. If you can put yourself in the property buyer's shoes, for example, you wouldn't necessarily want to see your holiday souvenirs or your niece's birthday pictures, for example, because they're not necessarily that interesting for the property buyer. So if you can stick to a neutral scheme and depersonalize, your chances of selling your property will be a lot higher. The idea is to have the home buyer to envision themselves in that property as their future home. So if you get that, your chances will skyrocket. Adding that to a selection of the right pieces of furniture, as long as they're balanced out, they are the right scale, and also combined with the right choice of accessories that will marry together and create a lifestyle that the home buyers want to buy with the property.